What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the issue of your LG AC not cooling properly. Now usually this is a problem that occurs after some time, and obviously there might be lots of reasons, but in this video I'm going to be showing you a very simple way. Now basically what you want to do is to go ahead and turn off your LG AC, so just make sure that the AC is actually turned off. And once the AC is off, on every AC you will notice that there is actually an air filter, so just make sure that you carefully remove this air filter from the top of the AC. You can literally see mine. I recently just cleaned up mine, and that is why mine is this clean. But if you're opening it for the first time, you're going to notice that the air filter is very dirty. Now this actually stops the inflow of air from outside of the AC to inside of the AC. So you want to make sure you clean the air filter properly so that it comes as though it is brand new. You can go ahead and flash water on it, or just use any clothes to make sure that it is properly cleaned up before you go ahead to fix it back into your AC. Now go ahead and clean up mine, so you see you can go ahead and run water properly on it, and if possible you can as well just make sure it is washed up if it is very dirty. So make sure that it is properly cleaned up so you don't have dirt on it. Now as you can see, mine over here is now very cleaned up. At least it is better, and there is no dust in it. Now you just want to go ahead and put back the air filter exactly as you brought it out from the AC. So make sure that you properly put it up back to the AC, just like so. Another thing you want to do is to make sure you clean up the dust from the back of the outdoor unit of your AC. So just make sure you get a broom just like this, and just make sure you clean up the dust from over here. This actually stops the inflow of air as well from your AC. Also come over to this angle and make sure you clean it up again on the AC. Just make sure that everything is cleaned up and you're good to go. And once you're done, you can now go ahead and turn on your AC back again. And trust me, majority of the time this will most likely fix the issue of your LG AC not cooling properly, or for some reasons the inflow of air from outside of the AC to inside of the AC is not good enough. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.